Yeah, my name is Salah Yusuf, and I am here this year, University of Minnesota. And this is Viftu.
I'm Viftu Khalif, and I'm also a junior at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities.
We both member of OSU. I'm a vice president, and she's
and I'm the president.
And we had this our first event this year.
This is called the annual OSU Welcome Dinner for freshmen and transfer students. It's basically a way for us to get to know the freshmen as well as transfer students, and for them to get to know our organization and what we do. We also invited other people, other members, and not necessarily just Oromos, but non-Oromos too, just to get to know our organization and give the resources to freshmen as well as transfer students that might not know what the resources that are provided to them this big university. And that was basically our mission, is to kind of get them a smooth transfer to the university, and hoping that they benefit from this, the resources that we presented today.
Our plan is basically to just get everybody knows, the freshmen or transfers, make sure they get, they're not left off. They're not left off with any information. We want to share them whatever we have, any resource we have, and basically that's what we just did today. We brought every teacher who have the best resource, and anybody who's been around the campus who we've been working with, like any jobs or any source, so just basically anything to just help them out. That's what it was.
And we would just like to say thank you to all those who came out and supported us, and also our members that always help us at our all events, and hope to see you guys all at our upcoming events that will be that we'll announce later on.